6 amazing things animals and organisms do as fast as bullets. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Massive Phenomenon 6. Frogfish. These alien-looking fish can be found lurking on the seafloor around Australia and New Zealand. They hide among coral and rocks in order to ambush almost anything unlucky enough to encounter them when they are hungry, including octopuses, crabs, prawns, and shellfish. They have large, round heads and a broad mouth that is impressive for more than just its size. Frogfish have the fastest bite of any vertebrate, even while biting in water 800 times denser than air. Their mouths expand at speeds comparable to .22 rifle bullets being fired, leaving little chance for prey to escape the ferocious ambush predator and its expandable stomach. 5. Spirostomum. These flat 4mm creatures are common in lakes and ponds. They are tiny single-celled organisms, but they have an incredibly quick defensive capability that ranks them among the fastest-moving creatures on Earth. When startled, it takes them only a few milliseconds to shorten their body length by around 60% by curling up into the shape of an American football. They contract their bodies with an acceleration of 656 feet per second squared, 200 meters per second squared. Impressively, they do this without the kind of muscles humans use and without damaging their internal structures. The mechanisms involved mimic springs, latches, and motors more than muscles, or it might be better to say those things will soon mimic these creatures. Engineers hope studying the spirostomum will help advance nanotechnology and tiny robots. Research into the creatures also helped correct the misconception that single-celled organisms do not do much individually and only form the building blocks for more interesting tissues. 4. California mite. This tiny arachnid can move at amazing speeds of almost 11.8 inches per second, 30 centimeters per second, or 0.9 kilometers per h. What is amazing about that? In terms of body length per second, these sesame seed-sized speedsters move 332 times. If humans did this, they would be moving at 1,440 miles per hour, 2,317 kilometers per h. By this measure, California mites easily best other land animals. Next is the Australian tiger beetle, which can manage 171 body lengths per second. Humans dwindle in comparison. Record-breaking sprinters like Usain Bolt only manage 6 body lengths per second and can only maintain their speed for short bursts. Scientists believe studying the biomechanics that allow the mites to travel so fast might help engineers improve the speed of robots and other devices. 3. Horsefly. These large flies are the scourge of many summer visitors to woodlands, marshlands, and beaches. The females are able to deliver a painful bite and can be incredibly persistent in pursuit of the blood they need to consume to stimulate egg production. However, it is the males who rank among the fastest creatures on the planet. One North American male in pursuit of a mate was recorded traveling at an amazing 90 miles per hour, 144.8 kilometers per h. That is fast by the standards of almost any animal, but translated into body length per second, it would be roughly equivalent to a human traveling at a whopping 4,054 miles per hour, 6,525 kilometers per h. There are about 4,000 species around the globe that belong to the same family as horseflies, but none of the others come close to matching their speed. 2. Palobolus. While the speeds of many items on this list have been compared to the average speed of a bullet, researchers actually fired some guns to see whether this fungus was faster. Palobolus is a foul fungus that reproduces by being consumed by animals. Once it has completed its journey through an animal's digestive system, it grows fluid-filled bulbs in the animal's droppings. When enough pressure builds up inside the bulbs, they launch spores onto plants in the surrounding environment to be eaten by new animals. These spores reach a top speed of about 82 feet per second, 25 meters per second, or 56 miles per hour, which is moderately impressive for their tiny size. More impressively, they were captured on film in a BBC experiment, accelerating more than 20,000 G faster than a vintage Remington rifle's bullet, which fires at around 9,395 G. 1. Coprophilus. Another disgusting dung-dwelling fungus achieves acceleration of up to 180,000 Gs, according to a paper published in 2008. We might be disgusted by its reproductive process, but Coprophilus performs a crucial task for the planet's habitability by breaking down dung. Like Palobolus, its spores must be consumed by animals to reproduce. This presents a problem. Few animals eat in the same spot they do their business, so it needs to blast its spores a good few meters away. The problem is that this distance is many times its own microscopic diameter. It achieves this by powerfully blasting spores from what is best described as squirt guns. They accelerate at speeds up to 180,000 Gs, which makes them the fastest flyers in nature in terms of acceleration. Interestingly, the paper discovered that the bulbs from which the spores are launched did not contain abnormally high amounts of pressure compared to other species of fungus. This means the way pressure is expelled through the squirt gun mechanism is what causes their remarkable speed. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.